creamy garlic chicken. To the crock pot, add baby potatoes. Seasoned chicken breasts. We got a teaspoon rosemary, teaspoon thyme. And we got some salt. Pour some black pepper. Add them on top of the potatoes. To a bowl, we're going to add about a cup of heavy cream. About a cup of chicken broth. 4 cloves of minced garlic. And about a cup of Parmesan cheese. Pour over your mixture. Add in 2 tablespoons butter. Cover and cook on low for about 8 hours. And then it looks like this.